What's going on, guys? It's me, Linsay, with LinsayMoore.com. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 steps to building a network marketing business online. Now, on this channel, guys, I share with you ways of how to make money online, how to create an income using affiliate marketing as well as personal development type videos. Now, before we dive into the content, go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So again, I want to share with you 4 steps that you can do to build a network marketing business online. Now, I don't care if it's a traditional network marketing company or even if you're doing affiliate marketing or something like that, you still want to do these 4 steps in order to build a successful business and to get more sales, right? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to create a personal brand. Now, what I mean by this, so no matter what business you are promoting, you want to make sure that you stand out from the crowd. Because with any business you promote, trust me, there are thousands of other affiliates and representatives promoting that same company and promoting the same products as you. So what makes you different than the others? How can you separate yourself from the rest of the crowd so people actually will join you instead of somebody else? And you do this by creating a personal brand. Now, how you can do this is by creating valuable content. Now, what I mean by creating valuable content is you want to make sure that whatever business you are promoting, you want to figure out what problems your products and service solve. Okay? And when you figure those things out, what you want to do is you want to start generating content that's going to help people to solve those problems. So if you're going to be using social media, for example, right? Let's say if you're using Facebook to build your network marketing business, the first thing you need to do is you need to find your audience of people who would be interested in what you're selling. So this is going to be like the first mistake that people make, is because they'll have their social media, their Facebook, and it just has friends and family on there, maybe some random people that they probably just added over the years. And when they join a business, they start promoting on their social media, on their Facebook, and then they wonder why they're not getting any sales, why people aren't asking any questions about their business or anything like that. Well, one, you're not talking to the right people, right? So you have to do the research and find your audience of people who will be interested in what you buy and what you're providing, right? So how do you do this? You do this by, again, figuring out what problems your product solves. When you do that, then you want to figure out, does it really target towards women who are mothers or whatever else? Figure out that information, and then you want to start building up your Facebook network with people with that particular audience of people. Okay? So once you have built up your audience, you want to start putting content in front of those people who would be interested. So an example that I have done before is right now is really popular about the CBD oils, right? So if your company sells CBD oils, one of the benefits that that they say about the CBD oil is that it helps children who have autism. It helps them with their symptoms. Okay, so of course you want to target like parents who have children who have autism, because that's like a pain point for parents, right? If they have a child that has autism, they want them to have relieve some of those symptoms that their child is experiencing. Okay, so that's a pain point. That's something that they want to solve, right? So I would go on my Facebook and I will start to add people who are parents who have children who have autism. So now that my Facebook is my friends list is filled with that particular group of people, I'm going to start to create content that's going to target parents who have children who have autism, and how CBD oil can actually relieve some of their symptoms. Okay, so that's a full example. So that's what you want to do. First, build a brand by solving people's problems and creating valuable content. Okay, the second thing that you need to do is generate leads. So this is something that even I was not knowledgeable about when I got started with network marketing, right? So when network marketing companies, they'll always give their representatives a replicated site. So what I mean is that's like a basic website that every representative gets, and they'll have like their own little domain attached to it. And that's good and all, but if you're sending people to that replicated site, you don't know who is visiting that site. You have no way to further contact them or anything like that. So that's why it's really important that you generate leads. Now, how do you generate leads? So before you send people directly to your company's website, you want to send them to a one-page website that just has information where they can submit their email address. So the one page website can say something like, if you want to know how to drop 30 pounds in the next 45 days, submit your email address below and we'll send you the information. Okay, so somebody will put their email address in. Once they click submit, it will take them directly to your company's website and they can learn more information on how to lose weight or something, right? That's what we want to do. We want to make sure that we are capturing those leads, because understand that when people go to a website, they're not going to buy right off the bat. It's a very small percentage of people who will visit a website and buy immediately like that, okay? They have to see things at least 7 to 12 times before they take any type of action. Okay, so that's why we must generate leads. So you need to have some type of what we call a capture page or a sales funnel that's going to capture those leads for you guys. Okay, now the third thing is you want to follow up. Now, just like how I mentioned before, that a person needs to see something at least 7 to 12 times before they take any type of action. How we're able to do that, again, is through the sales funnel. So once somebody submits their email address, we have a place called an autoresponder, and it basically is a fancy term to where we're going to house all those emails that we're collecting. And what we're going to do is we're going to send an email out to those people, every day or a few times a week, just giving them more information and more value about our company, testimonials, success stories, and things like that. We want to make sure that we stay on top of mind, right? So if you send somebody just to your website without collecting that email, life gets in the way, right? They have to go pick the kids up from school. They have to go do some work, and they're going to totally forget about your website and what it provides. Now, if you collect their email and now you're following up through emails and sending them more value, come like the next day, they're going to get an email seeing like, hey, you requested this information. Here's some more, knowledge, or here's some more tips to make this work. If you just stay in their inbox consistently, you always stay on top of mind, so they will never forget you. That's the whole point with the follow-up, okay, guys? So we want to make sure that we always stay on top of mind, so whenever they are ready to go ahead and push that buy button, we will always be there in order to get that sale. So that's what you want to make sure that you do. Now, the fourth thing is to get sales. So if you're consistently providing out content, you're generating leads, and you're following up, trust me, that's when the sales come. This is a process that you have to do. You can't just think that you just put a link on social media that people are just going to click on it and buy. That's not how it works, okay, guys? You must implement these 4 things that I'm sharing with you all, and if you do that consistently, you will get sales. If you do this consistently, you will start to build up momentum to the point that you're just receiving sales every single day, because you have been consistently putting out content and you have been feeding your machine pretty much with leads, your sales funnel with leads, and people are consistently seeing your content, your value, people having success stories, all that type of stuff. So if you do all 4 of these things, you can start generating success online with your network marketing business. Okay, guys? So in this video, that's what I can really share with you all. I mean, it's a little bit more to this, so that way you can get the results that you really want. Okay, so underneath this video in the description below, I'm going to include a link to a 4-part video series that's going to show you how to get 100 leads per day using social media for your network marketing business. Okay, guys? So don't think that you have to spend all this money on paid advertising and all that type of stuff like that. I want to share with you all something that I have been doing inside of my business that's helping me to generate leads. And if you follow what he shares in these 4 videos in the description below the video in that link, you can start seeing results using free social media strategies and start getting results in your inside of your network marketing business using online strategies, guys. Okay, so again, underneath this video, hit that link, get access to that 4-part video series on how to generate at least 100 leads per month using free social media strategies. Comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.